finding the trace of a matrix. So the trace of a square matrix is the sum of the elements on its main diagonal. So the entries from the top left to the bottom right. So first problem is to find the trace of A. Okay, then the first thing we do is to sum all the diagonal elements in the trace of A. Nga naa sa A11, A22, o A33. So which are 160. And yeah, that's the element. And after that, we have to plus those diagonal elements, which is 1 plus 6 plus 0. So the trace of A is none other than 7. And for the trace N, so same as trace A, first and foremost to do is i-add tanang naa sa diagonal elements. So which are 1, 4, 8. And then the trace of N is 13. And lastly, for the trace of O, or calculating the trace of matrix O, it's the same gapon sa previous problem. So we sum its diagonal elements. Nga naa sa 11, 22, ug 33, which is 4, 14, 4, and 4. Ibang plus sila tanan. And then the answer is 22. So that is for trace. And now let's go to determinant. So determinant. So in determinant, we are using basket weaving method. So basket weaving method is often a monomic technique used to simplify the calculation of determinant for a 3 by 3 matrix. So we have to do is repeat the first column next to the matrix. So gi-repeat ang column. So mo ang 1, 5, 2, 6, 4, 7. Then identify the diagonals for addition from downward to upward. And after that, imo ni silang i-input. Or you have to copy from downward to upward. In this part, you have to multiply the elements from 160 to 025. And after you multiply them, kadang imo ni silang time ka na nimo ang result. Then kung unsa ang result, mo na pud nimo isangka sa addition. Kaya ani, imo na di silang i-add tanan kaning 7, 9, 4 kutob sa 10, 8, 7. Then after nimo ni sila gipang-add, makuha na nimo ang result, then you have to subtract them. Then after nimo ma-subtract, then makuha na nimo ang result, which is 0, and that's for the determinant of n. And then nanapunta sa n, so same process siya gihapon from downward to upward. You copy them, imo ni silang pagkahuman imo nila input, then imo ni silang ipang times. So after nini mo gipang suwat, imo ni silang gipang times, then after napasad nimo ipang times, then imo ni silang i-plus. After nimo i-plus ang mga elements, then musunod ang pag-subtract. Then after sa pag-subtract, then you will makuha na nimo ang result for the determinant of f. And lastly, for determinant of O, you have to repeat the two column of the matrix, the given matrix, then identify the downward and the upward for addition. Yes, muna sila kipang butang na dira. Then after that, have to multiply ang nasa bracket. And then after you multiply this, you have to sum this product together. So I'm using a scientific calculator because I'm not that smart enough para manaon. Then going back to the solving, so after na nimo ni sila gipang times, then you have to plus. You have to plus these elements, and then after you plus, you have to subtract this. And then after you will have the result for determinant of O. And that is for the determinant, the trace and determinant. And thank you for listening, and I hope you have all a good day. Thank you. And once again, good morning.